Have you ever wondered how do life insurance actually work in Singapore? Before I break down the types of life insurance, the most important thing that we have to establish is that life insurance, right, is all about protection. If you're not protected, savings, investments, and even wealth accumulation, right, they matter a lot less. You see, protection is all about the what ifs. There are many types of protection type insurance, such as your personal accident, hospitalization, and many others as well. So let's talk about the mechanism of how life insurance works in Singapore. You might wonder because, for example, you might be paying just $1,000 a year for your $1 million sum assured if anything happens to you. How can the insurance company actually pay out such a big amount of money, although the premiums they're actually paying is relatively small? Say you are paying $1,000 a year. 100 years, right? The total premiums that you are paid, right, is only 100,000. But how can the insurer actually fork out $1 million if you want to claim? And how it works is pretty simple. The insurer knows that based on your age, your BMI, and your health status, the chances of you claiming at that point of time isn't high. So what they do is basically they will reinvest the premiums that you pay so that by the time when you need to claim, they're able to give you the $1 million coverage that you actually need and you're actually paying for over the past couple of years. So that's why people say that insurance should be bought when you're healthy and when you're young, because the premiums definitely is more affordable. And in an event where you buy at a later age, when your health condition is not as ideal, right, the premiums is gonna be way more expensive, and also the chances of you purchasing the same amount of coverage, right, might not be as likely due to your health condition as well. So now that you understand the mechanism of how life insurance works, there are actually two types of life insurance. Firstly, term life, and also secondly, whole life or investment-linked policies. Basically, how term life works is it covers till age 99 or a definite period of duration that you're actually looking for. The premiums of term life tend to be way more affordable as compared to whole life or investment-linked policies. However, there's no monetary value or surrender value at the end of the day, as compared to a whole life or investment-linked policies. At the end of the day, when one day you feel that you do not need that protection anymore, you're able to surrender the plan to get back some money. Nowadays, term life insurance seems to be more popular with people our age, simply because, right, they do not need the surrender money. And the fact that there are so many investment tools and instruments such as your robo-advisors easily available, they're able to do the investments themselves, as compared to back in those days where our parents, when they want to invest, they need to go through another person. And the fact that nowadays it's way more convenient, right? People our age tend to lean towards term life insurance as compared to whole life and investment-linked policies. But with that being said, right, it does not mean that whole life or investment-linked policies are not relevant anymore. Because to me personally, insurance is all about the client's purpose and needs, and that's the most important thing. In fact, life insurance is really more about benefiting your beneficiaries rather than yourself, as you can only claim after you pass away, or you get terminal illness, or you get total permanent disability. So what life insurance is all about, it really depends on not just your own needs, but also the needs and liabilities of your beneficiaries, such as your spouse, your parents, or your kids. In order to know what policy is actually good for you, it depends on your personal needs. So do consult on your preferred insurance agent or financial advisor whom you can trust to find out more. My name is Sean, and I hope that this video gives you a better understanding on how life insurance works, and I'll see you in my next video.